1. Installing Ripple Lib in the browser. You can use Ripple Lib to interact directly in JavaScript with the Ripple network, make transactions, send and receive payments, and make cross-currency orders. In order to use the Ripple JavaScript library, you need to download and install Ripple Lib, which is available at github.com/ripple/ripplelib. In order to install Ripple Lib for the browser, we need to clone the GitHub repository. Git clone github.com/ripple/ripplelib. Once we've downloaded the Ripple Lib, we need to install its components by running npm install, which will reach out to Node Package Manager. First we need to cd into Ripple Lib and then run npm install, which will read the package.json of Ripple Lib and pull in its dependencies. Once it's done installing, we will use the grunt command line tool to build a version of Ripple Lib suitable for the browser. Grunt is a JavaScript task project automation tool, and we use it a lot in Ripple Lib and the Ripple client and various JavaScript Ripple projects. Now that our packages are installed, we can run grunt. Grunt will pull in all of our source code files and build a minified version and a non-minified version of Ripple Lib that can be included in the browser. Once we have Ripple Lib available and built for the browser, we need to put it into a website. So I'm going to use Initializer. Initializer is a great way to just download a example website. I'll choose Bootstrap and download the initializer. That should download a package for me. Okay, Grunt is finished building, so I'm going to move the initializer over to my desktop. Now, Grunt is finished building, so if I look in Ripple Lib under build, I can see I have Ripple O.7.31 min and Ripple O.7.31. So this is the minified and unminified versions. There's also the debug version and SJCL, which is the Stanford JavaScript crypto library, which was built with some custom features for Ripple. Now I have my initializer project, and I have a JS directory in it. So I'm going to copy over the Ripple O.37 min into the initializer JS directory. And then I'm going to open up initializer index.html, and I'm going to go ahead and require that JavaScript in the HTML. So now I'll have access to the Ripple object in my website. If I go into the initializer and just start a simple web server, this will start up a web server on simple HTTP server in Python. This will start up a web server on port 8000. So I'm going to open up a Chrome window on localhost port 8000. Okay, here's our example initializer web page that I downloaded. And if I look at the developer JavaScript console, I should have access to the Ripple object. Let's take a look at that object. We have account, amount, base, currency, remote, request, seed, server, transaction, and different data types. So this is the Ripple Lib, and these are all the different data types and functions that are provided to interact with the Ripple library and the Ripple network.